Hello, welcome to Japnoch channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install and enable two WhatsApp in one single smartphone. For your information, this tutorial is applicable for Android devices only. Before we get started, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And please hit that bell button so you will get all the notification for more tips in the future. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to the Play Store and search for application called Parallel Space. Basically, Parallel Space is the application that allows the Android user to copy any application that currently installed on the phone. Wait for a few minutes until the application is fully downloaded. After finish downloading, just open the application to let it synchronize with your mobile phone. After you allow this application to connect with your mobile phone, the page that shows all your current applications will be appeared. Select the WhatsApp application to add them into the Parallel Space list. Now you can launch the new WhatsApp from this Parallel Space application. After you verified your second WhatsApp account, you can try to see whether it's worked or not. How to do that? Just pick any name from your contact list and send them any message to see either it's worked or not. Now let's try to see either this application is working or not. So basically, I will try to send a message to my old WhatsApp number. As you can see here, I can receive message from both WhatsApp account and it's worked. I hope this video helps you a lot. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next video.